Oh, this is exciting. So I was walking across the Starbucks the other day. Some guy came up to me, he waved to me, he said, no, I'm sorry, I thought you were someone else. I said, I am. Storytelling is joke telling. And stand-up comedians are master storytellers. They bring people together with laughter. And if you think about it, leadership is the art of uniting individuals towards a collective goal. And because storytelling has an inherent capacity to bring people together, it is the essential skill for leaders today. So stand-up comedians do two things very well. They form a genuine connection with their audience, and they practice their stories to perfection. Have you ever seen a stand-up comedy special? If you have, okay, good, perfect. So when you see that, you feel that the stand-up comedian is talking to you as an individual, and that has a very powerful impact. And I can tell you from experience that any stand-up comedy special you see is a recital, and nothing is left to improvisation. Now imagine this. Imagine you're walking down the street. Somebody comes up to you and says, hey, aren't you the person that tells great stories? And you say, I am. Thank you.